We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC L2717 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace the drum and how we're going to reset the drum counter. So if you've been getting a replace drum warning, we're going to show you how to get rid of that warning, and it's a very simple process, and I think it's a very important thing for everybody that owns this printer to know how to do. So what we're going to go ahead and do, start off with making sure your printer's on. Once it's on, what we're going to do is lower this front cover. So there's a little finger groove on each side of this front cover. You're just going to put your finger in it and lower this front cover. And then when you look inside, there's going to be a handle right here in the front. And so what you're going to do is go ahead and grab that handle, lift up slightly, and pull straight out. And what that's going to do is now you've successfully removed both your drum unit and your toner. Now that we've removed both of them together, we need to separate the toner from the drum. So in order to do that, there's a little green button here on the bottom left of the drum. You're going to push down on that little green button, and you're going to lift and rotate the toner out of the drum. So we'll set that on a clean, dry, flat surface. And now you successfully removed the drum from the machine. So once you have your new drum unpacked and ready to use, well, we need to reinstall our toner into the new drum. So you're just going to slide the front of the toner into the drum and then press down until it clicks firmly down into place. So now we've reseated our toner into our drum. And anytime you change a drum or you change the toner in that drum, I recommend using this little green sweep that's at the top of the drum. And so you'll just take it, there's a little handle on it, and you're going to slide it all the way across the drum. And you're going to want to do that 2 or 3 times. And what you want to do, is something that's very important, is to make sure when you're done that you park this little green tab all the way back on the side of the toner cartridge, and you want to make sure that there's 2 little arrows pointed back at each other. If you leave this in the wrong spot, it can cause some print defects. So it's very important that it goes all the way back where it started and that these 2 little arrows are pointing at each other. Once you have that all set up, then we can go ahead and install our drum and our toner back into our printer. So we're going to put it right back in and slide it right into the printer, firmly press and seat the toner and drum into the machine, and then you can go ahead and close this front cover. So now we've successfully replaced the drum in the printer. Now we need to reset the drum counter for the printer so that that message goes away and it doesn't keep telling you that you need to replace your drum. So the printer is now initialized and it's ready to go. So now we can tell it we're going to show you how to reset that counter. So you'll notice right now I'm still getting the error saying to replace drum. We're going to get rid of that by pushing the up arrow and the OK button at the same time. And that's going to bring up the reset menu, and the very first option is actually going to be for drum. So we're going to go ahead and hit the OK button again. And now in order to reset it, all you got to do is just push the up arrow one more time. And that's going to select the reset option. And that's going to reset your drum counter, and now your printer knows that there's a new drum inside the machine, and that error is going to go away until it's the next time to replace it. So like I said, it's a very simple process. It's only a couple steps, and once you know how to do it, you won't have to think about it anymore. But if you have any other questions or concerns about your printer, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'll be glad to try to help you out with those. Also, if there's any way we can help supply you with any of your printer or office supplies, please let us know. We'd love to help supply those for you, and we hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.